phone is trying to call up the manager of a certain bank who happens to be his landlord. Oh, what? What number do I want? Well, what numbers have you got? I say, miss. Well, don't be long. Hello, are you there? Hello? Devin. Are you the bank? This is not a telescope, it's a telephone. And if I have any more of your...
Hey, Woody, you better go south with us. Winter's here, where the sun shines all winter. Well, how about Hollywood? Nice warm weather. Okay, just a minute. You no good loafer? Get out of here and get your own food. Sam! Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sure. I'll get you some nuts. Here you are. I told you so. You got just what you deserve. Nuts to you. Pretty girl. Oh, boy, is he cold. Let's give him the work. Come on, oh, boy, is he cold. Let's give him the work. Come on, I got a swell idea. Hiya, Joe.
Hiya, Ben.
What's new?
How's tricks?
Hello, Bill.
Hello, Charlie.
Long time no see. Hey, gang, come here. Look at Woody. Boy, oh boy, is he frozen. How are we going to get him out? Gosh, he's in a bad way. Help! You better go to work, you no-good loafer. All you do is lay around and...
Hang a small piece of crepe on your nose. Your brains are dead.
I told you so. You got just what you deserve. Nuts to you.
Okay, let's hear it.
This is the only one I don't like.
Which one? Let's see what it sounds like.
Hey, Woody, you better go south with us.